brand is it on?
Irving Barber Company.
Alright.
Guys, go to Irving Barber Company if you want a sick blade. I'm just giving you a
Shout out to
secret.
Irving Barber.
Yup.
Like it. Keep it tight.
Oh yeah, sick. So Irving Barber Company, if you guys want to send Diego razors, go to his Instagram.
Oh man, that feels good. Nothing like being on the chair.
Send him every single color that you guys have.
Y'all don't need to send me nothing, but know that you got a good barber right here that knows good style and class when it comes to a product line.
For sure.
Oh man, I have not been in a barber chair for, well, this is the first time all year, so feels good.
You're out right.
You gotta be grateful for Thomas's style of music.
Nah, they can know TJ.
Oh, the TJ.
Yeah, straight up.
Yeah. Well, sometimes I gotta throw Thomas out there every now and then.
Yeah, I was like, God damn.